Excuse me, is this Maya from the CDC? Hi Maya, I'm Logan and this is my partner Joseph. We are from Campbell High School Scientific Communications.
And what we heard is that you want to get rid of our favorite chemical, sodium bicarbonate. So we plan to change your mind.
Alright, thank you. Sodium bicarbonate, or more commonly known as baking soda, is a common household necessity used in many daily tasks such as baking, cleaning, deodorizing, and can even be used as an antidote to relieve heartburn.
Discovered in 1801 by German scientist Valentin Rose, then later popularized in 1846 by Armand Hammer, baking soda was created to quicken recipes using slow yeast. However, historical evidence has shown ancient Egyptians using an early form of sodium bicarbonate called natron as a drying agent in mummification.
Baking soda is made up of two ions, a monatomic ion called sodium and a polyatomic ion called bicarbonate. The reason these two ions can just combine can be explained by Coulomb's law. Coulomb's law essentially states that the charge of a particle attracts the opposite charge of another particle, with a positive ion we call a cation, and a negative ion we call an anion.
Great question. Let me create you a chart so that I can explain it to you. This is a Bohr model. As you can see, it has a sodium atom with 11 electrons and 1 valence electron. But if you look at the sodium ion, we can see that we lose the valence electrons, leaving us with just 10 in total. This is due to the octet rule, which states that atoms are strongest with 8 electrons on the outer shell. To complete this rule, the sodium atom decides to remove its 1 valence electron. Since it loses electrons, it will have a positive charge and will turn into a cation because it will end up with more protons than electrons.
The same doesn't hold true for bicarbonate though, due to its polyatomic status. Bicarbonate is made up of hydrogen, carbon, and 3 oxygen. Together they have a total of 23 valence electrons. The atoms don't transfer electrons like sodium does though. Instead, they form covalent bonds, meaning they share electrons to satisfy the octet rule. One oxygen shares 2 valence electrons with carbon, another oxygen single bonds and attaches to hydrogen, and the last only has a single bond with carbon, which gives it 7 valence electrons. So this oxygen atom would need to gain an additional valence electron, and with this additional electron, it would have a negative charge.
Exactly. Bicarbonate is held together by covalent bonds, but because the group has an overall -1 charge, it behaves like an anion and can bond ionically with sodium. I think you're mistaken. Studies like these have shown that baking soda has not harmed the environment at all, as it is biodegradable and considered safe for the environment. Furthermore, we interviewed 15 different people, and here's what they thought.
So hi, what's your guys' names?
My name is Malusi.
My name is Austin.
My name is Victor.
Queso Jimenez.
Rossi. June Cho. My name is Mr. Pereira.
Hi, my name is Kyra. This is Abigail.
Brett.
Luna.
Tyson.
My name is Shane.
My name's Cadence.
Rose.
Do you guys own baking soda at your house?
Yep.
Yeah.
Do you guys know if you own baking soda?
Yeah.
Do you have baking soda at your guys' home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I own baking soda.
Yes, I do too.
Do you have baking soda around your house?
Yeah, I use it to make cookies.
Do you guys know what baking soda is? What do you think baking soda is?
Baking soda is used in cake, like bring that cake, it makes that fluffiness.
It could be used for many things: cooking, freshening air, pH balance in your body, things like that.
You put them in cookies, and you leave them in your fridge, so your fridge is cleaner. So I'll buy you this.
Well, do you guys use it?
I don't use it personally.
It's used in baking. What I use baking soda for personally, I put it on my clothes sometimes to get stains out, and whenever I help my mom with baking, I use it for that purpose.
Like, you use it for like, a lot of stuff, right? Like, we use it for laundry.
Laundry?
Oh, it's like used for cleaning too, like getting stains out of clothes.
I use baking soda to clean the.
Think like you notice if it disappeared in this room. Think you notice? Okay.
If it was gone or if it disappeared, do you think you would notice it? Would you notice if it disappeared?
No.
Not really.
Yeah, I'd notice, because, I mean, whenever, like, every other laundry day I use it, so I would notice.
Would you notice if it disappeared?
Yeah, because I need it to make cookies.
Yeah, I would.
I don't even know if you have baking soda or not right now.
Would you notice if it disappeared?
Yeah, it would be kind of inconvenient.
Yeah, I would probably notice too.
Me too, yeah, I noticed.
So would you guys say like you use it often in your daily life?
Yeah, pretty often.
Like, once a week.
Once a week?
Probably like never.
Never.
I use it like every week or so.
Do you guys want it to be banned? Like, if it was banned, would you say yes to that?
No, I don't see a reason to.
Would you want baking soda to be banned?
No.
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 Would you want for it to get banned? Because there's some people trying to ban it.
Oh no, it is very useful for me, and even to clean the rooms of our patients, the bathroom. I use baking soda.
Oh, that would really suck because my cakes wouldn't be fluffy. They'd be like rock hard.
Do you want it to be banned or not?
I like it. I need it to make cookies, so I don't think it should be banned.
Should baking soda be banned?
No. Lots of people use it in their life. Me personally, I don't use it as much, but I know lots of people use it in their everyday life, so no.
And if it were to be banned, what would you think about it? Like, what would your opinion
I think
be?
that somebody's trying to kill us.
Kyra, do you think baking soda is bad?
Bad?
Yeah. Like, do you think it's a bad chemical?
No. I think all chemicals are bad at some point, but they all have, they're all important. Everybody has their strengths and their weaknesses. No.
They're all used for something.
Yeah, it's useful.
Do you think baking soda is bad?
No.
No? Why?
I don't know.
So, do you think baking soda is a bad chemical?
No, it's one of the best chemicals in the world.
Those are good points, but they all have simple solutions. For your first one, the danger of large amounts, people just need to use baking soda in normal recommended amounts. And that can go with the same for your stomach and medication issue. That only happens with overuse. If someone is sensitive, doctors can tell them to limit or switch to safer alternatives like potassium bicarbonate. And for your last concern, it's true, baking soda has no nutritional value, but that's not why people use it. It's used as a leavening agent in baking, and it's used to clean and deodorize. It's a tool, not a nutrient. So yes, there are risks, but they're easy to manage.
Look at this. You wouldn't want that, would you? All that food will be gone. Fluffy cake? No. More like dense cakes now. They wouldn't even be golden brown anymore. You would have to use 3 times the materials to even achieve what baking soda does. Now look at this. Without baking soda, all those bad smells will just come right through. Who would want that? Not me. Well, that's the end of our talk. We told you the reasons why we love sodium bicarbonate or baking soda.